This is probably going to be one of the hardest videos that I have ever made. I'm making it right now because I feel like I have no more tears left to cry right now. On October 1st, my grandparents came to say hi, and my grandmother came and she walked the garden with us, and she came and walked the garden with us, told me I don't share enough of certain spots in my garden with you guys, and 5 minutes after they had left our house, she got into a car accident, and my grandmother did not survive the car accident. My grandfather did. Brent and I ended up getting onto the scene before EMS got there, and there was just a fire truck there. My grandfather just got out of surgery last night, for his leg. He's doing okay right now. You guys are gonna see videos coming out on YouTube until, I think, the last week of October, until the 24th or something like that. All those videos have been pre-filmed, pre-edited. Yeah. So I look like everything's fine. They were videos that were filmed and edited before the accident happened, so I don't really know. We're gonna take some time off social media. October's gonna be a weird month. I just want to give you guys an update.
Why do I love these? I can't count the waves. There's so many of them. Hey, this is Grandma. Give me a call. Bye.